Windvane steering. That's Nanaimo. I've only used this one once or twice before, but it works well downwind, I guess, probably because the boat is quite directionally stable. A bit rolly, and just running under jib in about 15 knots of wind or so, making about 5 knots. And because there's no main up to steady her, she's rolling a bit. Heading for Lasqueti and Jedediah Island. They're just visible in the mist just up there ahead of us. This is exercise area Whiskey Gulf we're going through, which is being Christmas Day, it's closed thankfully, so we can transit it without having to go around it, which would otherwise be an enormous deviation, or one would have to follow the coast over here incredibly closely to stay inside it. It has a lot of hazards in that area. Whoa, is she ever rolling? Crikey.